London into the New York overlap. Great movement so far. Nice fresh imbalance into price. Looking to entry this trade right now based off this imbalance on the footprint chart, which we came back into. Price showed multiple imbalances with a pretty negative delta, which looks absolutely great. We also breaking to this lows right here on the left hand side. So definitely looking to sell off these markets.
Order filled. Order filled.
One more execution.
Order filled.
And we are in it. Let it run. Let's move stop a little bit more into the lows. And let's see how this will develops. Stops above. SL below. Based off this great imbalance right here on the footprint chart. Which gives us clear signs of level of imbalance. When price returns back to these levels, you can see in multiple clusters right here and right here, large imbalance into price. You can also see on the delta that the delta didn't hold the buying activity right here. So as soon we created this leg right here, you can see that pretty negative delta with huge volume was back trading into the markets. After that it sustained. When price returned back to this base, you can see again a negative delta with huge volume, but the buying delta didn't sustain at all. Sellers start to take over. That's also what we see right here. Now it's just a waiting game for price to turn lower. Around 10k. 3k floating. 5k. Seven half, 5. Just looks phenomenal. You can also see in the delta wise that the delta don't take over. And that we broke this low right here on the left hand side, so probably the only way is go down right now because sellers still in control. That's what we see. Also, if shifting to the lower time frames, such as the 3-minute time frame, you can also see pretty negative delta. Even if you shift to the 1-minute time frame, you can also see pretty negative delta, and the buyers didn't sustain. Around 10k up. Around 10k. Let's shift to the 5 minutes to give you a clear picture technical wise. So we have 3 trades running right now. With the break of that low, I think it's a good 2R trade, 3R trade, something like that. So let's see. you can see on the higher time frames as well. Yeah, 15-minute chart shows also a lot of sellers. Every cluster right here on the footprint represent 15 minutes of order flow data. We are currently up 13,500 euros, dollars, sorry. $618, 169, 215. So yeah. Shifting to the minute 30, for example, you see the same sort of scenario. Up 15k. Probably will move TP into this territory right here. I think it's a nice range, and we can also decide to close partials, you know, so that's an option. Everything according to the plan. Okay, let's move to the 5-minute again. Just wait. There we go, guys, up 35k. Beautiful movements. Absolutely great. 35, 37, 33, 35, 37. Let's hit it 50k quick. Probably an easy 80k trade on gold. GC Comex, we are up 40k right now. $40,000 in front of your ISIS, taking life with you. $33, $29, $33. Yeah, like I said, the delta again start to shift to negative, so that indicates still sellers in control. Pretty large volume, around 1500, which is a good indication that we will continue this leg to the downside, probably dive deeper into the next candle. Of course, you can have a little pullback, but I'm not too worried about that, you know. So we are still up 20k, and let's be patient. And on the left hand side we also have still a lot of room to fill, because yeah, you know, it's a nice price territory where we're breaking out of, and if you know gold, you know that it can move quite hard, you know, even during the London session. We are now in the overlap within a couple of hours, where the London meets the New York session. So yeah, we have a little pullback, but nothing to worry about. Don't worry, be happy. Just let price do his thing. So, and for some traders, the lower time frames can be pretty stressful. But if you look into order flow, there is nothing to worry about, because you're seeing the order flow of the markets. You can see where the seller and the buyer are fighting within between each other, and you can see how that fluctuates, you know. So that's pretty nice. And if you have some emotional thing about lower time frames, move to the higher time frames, such as the minute 30. Execute on the lower time frames, and it can give you a lot of peace of mind, you know. So that's definitely a thing which could be helpful for a lot of traders, you know. It could be pretty helpful, because every 5 minutes, every 1 minute can have a pullback, stuff like that. So it can, for some traders, it can be emotional, but over the time you learn, you know, and you earn. We're again up 23k, 25. $20, $21, $19, $19. $31. $31. Let's go. Also, if you're monitoring the footprint, even on the delta and the volume, you can see that's pretty negative delta, large volume, still right here, large volume clusters. So yeah, sellers in control. $35. $33, $31. $15-minute bars, 15-minute clusters, technical as well. Check this out. I think we're gonna hit TP pretty quickly. Really looks like the price will dive deeper pretty soon. So we are running into $43.5 thousand. Yeah, I like it. There we go. There we go. There we go, guys. There we go. 70, 80. 60, 50, 60. Ooh, we're almost there. It was a quick 80k. I was looking on my phone and boom. Yeah, we're gonna hit that 80, 90k mark with this trade, definitely. Check also how the delta sustained, right? Check it out. The delta right here. The seller still taking control. And that's absolutely beautiful about order flow. 3,500 in volume, $71,000, 73, 75, 79, 77. There we go. Let's move. Let's take it. There we go. 80, I take it. We are out. We are out. That was it. Goldie. Beautiful movements. Fully explained it to you. Absolutely. Definitely nice sell orders in the markets. Thanks for watching. On to the next. Peace.